Good morning from Grand Plain Farm, July 18th, 2025, and it's about 9:20 in the morning, and it's like 80 degrees already. All the animals are taken care of, water, food. The new chickens in with the older ones seem to be doing okay. They're hiding. Edith knocked all the waters over, put dishes inside the dishes. Yeah, she made a mess this morning for me. Yeah, problem pig. Anyway, today I plan on mowing this field here, and then put water, keep the water going on it. Starting to green up a little bit. A little bit of water I was able to put on it. Anyway, today is Friday, so the weekend's coming. I'm sure I'll have family over and a bunch of other stuff going on. So anyway, I better get to it. I'll catch you later.